Hi guys, it's Bailey here and welcome to another video. Well, you join me on a very cold, very frosty morning. I think it was -2, -3 on the car when we came down. We're hitting out on the river, hoping for a few perch. It's a really cold day, you can tell it's really bright as well. So we're definitely going to have our work cut out for us. But fingers crossed, we can get a few. I'll start rolling the clips. I didn't think it would be so bright straight away, to be honest. Probably should have got here. Probably should have got here a little bit earlier. Not quite sure what happened there. I don't know if that was a bite or not. I'm in. It's a nice perch as well. God, yeah. That's a good perch, that. Get out there, mate. Get out there. There might be more. Just in the middle. Well, I'm going to do something I haven't been able to do. Just get my good camera out. Oh my God, I can't tell you how good that feels. We'll give him away as well, just so we can see. So knock him. Nice fish. $33. Yeah, he's fat actually. Let's have a look. What do you reckon? I think he's over a pound.
Yeah, easily, yeah.
I'm gonna say a pound.
Pound 5.
So I'm thinking pound 4. Pound 2. Take it. On a day like today, very much take that. Well guys, check out that. What a lovely fish. I think my car said -2 on the way up here, so very, very cold. But one fish like this is worth it. You can tell it's really getting fat at the moment. Really, really fat. So I think he's probably about to spawn. Hopefully there's a few more, so we'll keep him in the net and we might be able to get 1 or 2 more. Well guys, that was a lovely fish. I'm absolutely chuffed with it. I mean, £1.2 in the end. I mean, can't really complain. Let me show you guys what I'm using. Obviously, got my bait caster, but I'm using, when I come in, a Texas rig, as you can see there. I've got a mini squirm on a reedless hook. That's where it took. This isn't the one it actually took. I've had to re-rig, got snapped up, as I always do. But there you go, that happens. But yeah, it's on a reedless hook with a 5-gram Texas weight. But we were still pushing a little bit, don't know if you can see that behind. So we need that weight just to hold bottom and make sure I'm casting alright. But yeah, it was just in the middle, it must have followed it for a bit. There might be a few more though. I mean, I would absolutely love a double up for the camera. Oh, you don't have, do you want a squirm?
Don't have a squirm.
Yeah, I've got one. Do you want one?
If you want,
Yeah, I'll give you a squirm. Oh, fuck, I thought that was another bite. Fucking hell, I think it was. I think I just had another bite. I will give you one, but I need to get back out there because that was definitely a bite. By the way, this lure was munched. Because this is the mini squirm. I do a small one. Oh. So it's a squirm, but it's a small one. I'm working it very slow though. Alright, well, be free, sir.
Cheers for that, mate. You just swam to the bottom of the net. Oh, it's gone. Oh no.
Kit! I want to keep you, but I can't.
I'm gonna try and catch it.
He won't have it, look at him go.
Stick a fucking squirm down there, bang! Can you imagine?
That poor fish.
Just been battered.
Oh, this is gonna freeze, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you like my net?
Pardon? That's it now.
It's a bit frozen, guys. Bit frozen.
Yeah.
Well guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Only a short one, only managed for one fish. Maybe missed a few bites, but that's how it goes. I mean, just happy we got a fish on the bank really in these conditions. It's not great for perch, but we came out and we got one. It was quite a nice one as well. If you did enjoy, smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought. And of course, subscribe for next time.